Would you believe that the Costco card in your wallet is actually a forgotten gold mine? There is a very good chance you are throwing thousands of dollars out the window every single year simply because you don't know the 14 shocking secrets that Costco's corporate office would rather keep hidden. We are talking about everything from legal loopholes that let you shop without a membership and decoding secret price tags to find hidden clearance items, all the way to buying caskets or getting virtual doctor visits at mind blowing discounts. Today, we are going to expose the absolute truth to transform your membership card into the ultimate money saving weapon. Don't skip past this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now to become the smartest shopper in the room, and let's dive straight in. 1. The under the radar liquid loophole. Did you know that an ordinary Costco membership unlocks hidden privileges that save families thousands of dollars annually? Surprisingly, many people don't even realize they can completely bypass membership restrictions for certain purchases. In several states, strict local regulations mandate that alcohol sales must remain open to the general public. Consequently, non members can stroll right into the liquor section in regions like Texas or California to secure premium beverages at wholesale costs. If you find these money saving strategies valuable, hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel ensures you will never miss out on another financial shortcut. Sharing this loophole helps everyone stretch their household budget, granting instant access to ultra competitive warehouse pricing without a single recurring fee. 2. Frictionless receipts and price protection. Misplacing store receipts usually spells disaster for returns, but this warehouse handles refunds completely differently. Because every single transaction is automatically logged directly onto your personal membership profile, desk employees can instantly pull up your entire shopping history. This seamless tracking enables a nearly limitless return window for standard household goods, eliminating traditional paperwork hassles entirely. Furthermore, this dynamic digital tracking powers a highly lucrative, lesser known 30-day price protection policy. If a major appliance or bulk product you purchased experiences a price drop within a month, you simply present your membership card. The staff will immediately hand you the cash difference on the spot, completely removing the tedious chore of returning and rebuying the item. 3. Strategic gift card arbitrage. Smart shoppers routinely maximize their purchasing power by treating the gift card kiosk as a primary investment zone. Located both in physical warehouses and online, Costco consistently sells gift certificates below their actual face value. For instance, families can regularly acquire a $100 voucher for their favorite restaurant or entertainment venue for just $79. This immediate 21% discount acts as an incredible budget stretcher for holiday shopping,
Happy
graduation parties,
birthday
and
to
birthdays.
you.
To make budgeting even simpler, these value packs are frequently broken down into multiple $25 increments. Utilizing this method means you are effectively manufacturing free money for expenses you were already planning to cover, making it a highly overlooked strategy. 4. Decoding secret price tag subtext. The standard price tags on warehouse shelves are actually highly classified corporate communication codes hiding in plain sight. Most consumers blindly look at the numbers, completely unaware that a price ending in 97 cents signifies a corporate clearance markdown. These specific items are heavily discounted to clear space, meaning they likely won't return once inventory depletes. Meanwhile, prices concluding in 00 or 88 indicate localized manager markdowns, often applied to floor models, isolated returns, or final stock pieces. Finally, spotting a prominent asterisk symbol in the top right corner serves as a definitive warning that the item is discontinued. Spotting these patterns allows savvy buyers to stock up on essentials before they vanish forever. 5. The science of lost leaders. Walking past the beautifully roasted $5 rotisserie chickens at the very back of the warehouse is an intentional trap. Since 2009, this legendary poultry deal has remained locked at $4.99, despite massive economic shifts. The company intentionally absorbs immense financial losses annually, even establishing a dedicated poultry operation in Nebraska just to maintain this exact price point. Strategically anchored deep in the store's layout, it forces hungry shoppers to navigate an endless gauntlet of tempting merchandise. The iconic $1.50 hot dog and soda combo operates on the exact same psychological principle. While these legendary loss leaders represent unbeatable value for a quick family dinner, they are designed to trigger impulse buying. 6. Unmasking the Kirkland signature brand. A massive misconception among new members is that the store's private label, Kirkland Signature, represents generic, lower grade products. In reality, this specific brand functions as an elite white label partnership with the world's most prestigious manufacturers. High end items like extra virgin olive oil, premium nuts, and daily vitamins flow from identical production lines as name brand equivalents. The only tangible difference is the simplified corporate packaging and a drastically lower price tag on the shelf. Skipping over these products simply because the logo looks unfamiliar means paying a massive premium elsewhere for identical quality. Embracing this house brand is the fastest way to slash your grocery bill without compromising on domestic standards. 7. Dignified alternative funeral planning. Discussing end of life arrangements is undeniably difficult, but bypassing traditional funeral home markups can shield grieving families from predatory industry pricing. Traditional funeral homes routinely charge anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 for standard burial caskets. Unbeknownst to most consumers, identical, high quality caskets are readily available directly on Costco's website starting at just $1,300. Crucially, strict federal legislation protects consumers by forcing local funeral homes to accept legally purchased caskets from external suppliers without penalties. Planning ahead through this unconventional digital platform sounds surprising to many, but it safeguards thousands of dollars during a family's most vulnerable moments, ensuring financial peace of mind when it matters most. 8. Suburban fuel and maintenance perks. Suburban families frequently justify their annual fees solely through the substantial discounts offered at the warehouse fuel stations. On average, members save roughly 10 to 20 cents per gallon, compared to traditional neighboring gas stations. Over a year of daily commuting, these small margins compound into hundreds of dollars retained in the family bank account. Additionally, the station features completely free, self-service automated tire inflation bays right next to the pumps to maintain fuel efficiency. To successfully avoid the legendary weekend gridlock that wraps around the entire facility, smart drivers optimize their schedules. Planning a quick fuel stop on Tuesday mornings ensures a completely empty line and a 5-minute exit. 9. Lifetime tire care inclusions. Purchasing a fresh set of tires from the dedicated automotive service center offers financial advantages extending far beyond the initial sticker price. While the baseline cost of the rubber tires is highly competitive, the true savings reside within the comprehensive lifetime warranty package. Every single installation automatically includes free professional mounting, lifetime tire balancing, routine rotations, and immediate flat puncture repairs. Over the multi-year lifespan of a standard tire set, these auxiliary services accumulate massive bills at independent automotive garages. By bundling these maintenance tasks into the original purchase, the warehouse effectively handles your vehicle's ongoing road safety for zero extra dollars, delivering unmatched long-term value. 10. The extended appliance advantage. Buying a major kitchen or laundry appliance anywhere else usually exposes homeowners to expensive, high-pressure extended warranty sales. However, purchasing a brand new refrigerator, dishwasher, or washing machine through this specific warehouse completely changes the consumer dynamic. The store automatically matches the manufacturer's original timeline and appends an additional free 2-year extended warranty. Furthermore, the total cost seamlessly covers home delivery, professional installation, and the complimentary haul away of your broken old machine. Savvy digital shoppers can also hunt for items designated as Costco Direct. These specific models ship straight from the factory floor, frequently unlocking stacked discounts that drop the final price well below the warehouse floor display. 11. Maximizing high-yield cashback rewards. The store's co-branded Anywhere Visa card acts as a high-octane wealth generator for households that manage their monthly finances disciplinedly. Users accumulate an impressive 5% cash back on wholesale fuel purchases and 4% on global gas and EV charging stations. Furthermore, it yields 3% on dining out and travel, and 2% on all internal warehouse spending. When the reward certificate arrives every February, a clever financial maneuver allows you to exchange it directly for cold cash. Simply purchase an inexpensive item, and the cashier will hand back the remaining balance in paper currency. However, carrying an unpaid balance destroys this strategy completely, as high interest rates quickly erase rewards. 12. The math behind executive upgrades. Upgrading from a baseline membership to the premium executive tier requires an additional $65 annually, a cost easily recouped through math. This higher tier provides an ongoing 2% cashback reward on nearly all warehouse purchases made throughout the fiscal year. Additionally, premium members receive a $10 monthly credit for same-day grocery delivery services, alongside exclusive travel package discounts. If your household baseline spending averages roughly $500 a month on groceries and household essentials, the math works out perfectly. The resulting year-end reward certificate hits $120, completely obliterating the initial cost of the tier upgrade while netting your family pure profit. 13. The virtual inventory partition. Treating the physical warehouse floor and the digital website as identical inventories is a massive mistake made by casual shoppers. The online storefront unlocks an entirely separate world of massive merchandise categories, including premium home furniture, mattresses, and advanced consumer electronics. Periodically, the digital platform runs highly lucrative clothing promotions, allowing buyers to take $50 off orders of 10 apparel items or more. This specific promotion allows parents to secure high-quality children's basics and seasonal outerwear for under $5 per piece. While online pricing incorporates shipping built directly into the base cost, the sheer convenience of having massive sectional sofas delivered directly to your doorstep outweighs the minor premium. 14. The comprehensive healthcare shield. The single most disruptive benefit of a standard membership card is its dual functionality as a robust healthcare savings tool. The internal pharmacy consistently beats traditional medical chains on prescription pricing, and many states legally allow non-members to utilize these low costs. Meanwhile, the specialized optical and hearing departments provide comprehensive diagnostic exams, contacts, and custom-fitted hearing aids at a fraction of standard clinical costs. Furthermore, an official corporate partnership with the Sesame platform grants members $29 virtual doctor visits and $72 full physicals with lab work. This incredible medical network operates entirely independent of traditional health insurance, transforming a simple bulk grocery card into an essential family wellness safety net.